Today I am here with a thought related to World Malaria Day. Invest in malaria control, invest in a healthier future.
A warm morning to you all. I am with news headlines. International news. Soldier sleeping prime turned 36, remains in coma 19 years after crash in London. National news. Pahalgam attack live, 26 dead and all political parties call for shutdown today. Sport news. 100 days of dodge. Deep cuts spark chaos and delayed cross US agency. With this, I end my word share and wishing you a wonderful day ahead.
Good morning, everyone. Today, April 25th, is World Malaria Day. It's a serious disease spread by mosquitoes. It's a major health problem in all over the world. Let's work together to prevent malaria by using mosquito nets, making our surrounding clean, and eliminating mosquito breeding sites. We can make a difference. So let's take action against malaria and save ourselves. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A warm good morning to you all. Now I am going to speak short speech on the topic World Malaria Day. World Malaria Day is celebrated every year on 25th April to raise awareness about the disease malaria, how to control it and eradicate it completely. In 2008, the first Malaria Day was celebrated, which was developed from African Malaria Day, which was an event observed since 2001 by African government. Thank you and have a good day ahead.
Good morning to you all. Now I am going to tell you how to protect ourselves from malaria. First, put screens on doors and windows. Second, wear long pants and long sleeves to cover your skin. Third, protect yourself from mosquito bites. Fourth, use mosquito nets. Fifth and last, keep your surrounding neat and clean. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Good morning to each and everybody present here. Now I am going to say facts about World Malaria Day. First, World Malaria Day is celebrated on 25th of April every year. Second, this is the one of the most health problem. Third, World Malaria Day is observed on 25th. World Malaria Day is observed on 2017. Fourth, this day is to raise awareness of the global effects to malaria. Fifth and last, the theme of World Malaria Day is time to drive zero malaria. Thank you and wishing you a great day ahead. A very cheerful good morning to each and everyone present here. Today I am standing before you to ask 5 GK questions. My first question is, when do we celebrate Malaria Day? 25th of April is the right and correct answer. My second question is, where did malaria found? Africa is the correct answer. My third question is, when do we celebrate Labour's Day? 1st May is the correct answer. My fourth question is, what is the largest mountain in the world? Mount Everest is the correct answer. My fifth and last question is, what is the currency of Japan? Yen is the right answer. With this, I end my GK questions here. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, students. So, dear students, as we are celebrating World Malaria Day today, so you also try to know more about this day and try to find the ways through which we can save ourselves and the people in our society from the dangerous disease that is malaria, and we can save the life of the people, because many people are dying because of malaria, and this is a very serious disease. So you also try to learn more and more, and around your homes you must plant tulsi, a plant of tulsi. It prevents and it has good medicinal capacities to clean the atmosphere around us. So you try to plant more and more tulsi plant so that we can create a good atmosphere around us. Dear students, one more thing I would like to tell you. Now we are in the month of April, and after 2 months, after May and June, plantation of different types of plant will take place. So now onwards, you try to plant something for the plantation. So you make the list. What are the plants or trees you are going to plant in the coming rainy season? Note down and ask from your parents and from wherever you can get these plants, so that you can plant during the rainy season, and it will bring fruit for you, and it will create good ambience and good atmosphere around your home. So I hope you will follow my words and you will plant more and more trees during the rainy season. With this, I end my words here. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to you all. Thanks to all these students who have taken the good trouble to create this creative awareness to fight against malaria. As we celebrate the World Malaria Day, you should know the history. In the past, as soon as the first rain used to come, and then people used to die, village after village, Swaha. Many people used to die, and there was no medicine. And so slowly people started inventing. As you know that these days we have the quinine, which is the perfect medicine for fighting the malaria. First and foremost, they experimented in a goat and they succeeded, and then afterwards it was implemented to the people. 2008 onwards, this kind of awareness is being raised among the people. Now, as you know that they have already beautifully explained that female Anopheles mosquito, when it bites, within 14 days it will take its own effect, and then you will be the victim of malaria. And so around your place there should not be waterlogging on which the malaria spreading mosquitoes can lay their eggs, and then they will breed from there. So make sure that you sprinkle kerosene oil in that, so they will die. They will not survive. And so we have to take care. In our school days, our teachers used to say, when the first rain comes, take at least 10 tablets, not every day, in interval of 2 to 3 days, 1 tablet, and then you will be fine. Now it is not that much serious, but it used to be very, very serious. Once the malaria catches, the person used to die. So take care of yourself. And make a question, what time the malaria mosquitoes bite normally? Timing? In between 5 to 6 o'clock in the evening, you will feel that so many mosquitoes are there. So that is the most significant time for them. So be careful that time. And that's why most of them keep using trousers and then shoes, so that there is no problem. Use mosquito net all the time. Even there is no mosquito you feel, but one mosquito is enough to disturb whole night, and then one mosquito is enough to spread the plasmodium in your body to make you the victim of malaria. So take care of yourself properly, be healthy, stay healthy, and excel in your life. Congratulations to you all, and the teacher, the one who guided them. God bless you all.